Okay, I have mentioned before about how I've seen how they make foreign booze, and they put a lot of chemicals in it to trick your brain into thinking that you're drunk. They'll put things like poison in it and toxins and acids. Your brain gets damaged, so your brain is thinking, I'm getting drunk. When you're not actually getting drunk, you're just getting brain damage. Now, a good example of this is I can drink 100 ml of my spirits and I get tipsy, but I don't get a hangover because it is just spirits. It's something I've made myself, so I know exactly what's in there. Last night is a really good example. I had one bottle of beer, and it was this, I think it's Italian. Yeah, it was £4 for a bottle, and it's a big bottle. And my fucking head is splitting. It is a nasty fucking headache. And I don't get hangovers. So I got a hangover not from the alcohol content, but from whatever shit was in that fucking bottle. I mean, I know they used to use like varnish. I think they still do. And let's face it, all these drinks are mass produced in third world countries with no laws whatsoever, and then imported en masse and diluted and then coloured and flavoured to taste. Same with stuff in Scotland. It's not Scotch whisky. You ever seen a field where they grow the ingredients? No. So yeah, quality makes a big fucking difference between whether or not you get a fucking headache in the morning. And it's not a hangover headache, it's a dodgy chemical hangover.